Artificial intelligence as a replacement for government. Exploring the potential, benefits, drawbacks, threats, implementation challenges, and impacts on people's lives. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has led to speculation about its potential to replace traditional forms of government. This video examines the concept of using AI in place of a government, focusing on a large-scale nation-state. By exploring the advantages and disadvantages, potential threats, implementation challenges, and the impact on people's lives, we can gain insights into this thought-provoking proposition. The advantages of AI in governance. Efficiency and automation. AI-powered systems can streamline administrative processes, reducing bureaucratic hurdles and improving the efficiency of decision-making. Automated systems can analyze massive amounts of data, enabling faster and data-driven policy formulation and implementation. Data-driven decision-making. AI algorithms can process and analyze data from diverse sources, providing valuable insights for evidence-based policymaking. This can lead to more informed and effective decision-making, optimizing outcomes in areas such as healthcare, transportation, and resource allocation. Objectivity and fairness. AI systems can minimize human biases and favoritism by basing decisions on algorithms and predefined criteria. This could result in fairer resource distribution, reduced corruption, and increased transparency. Predictive capabilities. AI algorithms can analyze historical data and make predictions, enabling proactive governance. This can help identify and address emerging issues, optimize resource allocation, and enhance disaster management and emergency response. The drawbacks and concerns. Lack of human judgment and empathy. AI lacks the nuanced judgment, emotional intelligence, and empathy that humans possess. Important decisions involving ethical considerations and complex social issues may require human intervention and moral reasoning. Accountability and transparency. Ensuring accountability for AI systems poses challenges. Transparent algorithms, explainability of decisions, and mechanisms for recourse are essential to maintain public trust and mitigate potential biases or errors. Job displacement. Widespread implementation of AI in governance could lead to job displacement and require significant workforce reskilling and transition programs. The impact on employment and socioeconomic disparities must be carefully addressed. Security and privacy risks. Centralizing vast amounts of sensitive data in AI systems raises concerns about privacy, cybersecurity, and potential misuse of information. Strong safeguards and regulations are necessary to protect individuals' rights and prevent unauthorized access. Possible threats. But before we move on to the topic, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. We will appreciate it and it will help to grow our channel. Centralization of power. An AI-powered government could concentrate decision-making power in the hands of a few entities or corporations, potentially eroding democratic principles and citizen participation in governance. Vulnerability to hacking and manipulation. AI systems could be vulnerable to hacking, manipulation, or malicious use, posing risks to national security, public safety, and the integrity of decision-making processes. Ethical dilemmas and bias. AI systems trained on biased data or programmed with unethical principles could perpetuate societal inequalities, discriminate against marginalized groups, or reinforce existing biases. Lack of human values and intuition. AI may struggle to incorporate human values, intuition, and the ability to understand the diverse needs and aspirations of society. This could result in decision-making that overlooks important societal nuances and context. Implementation challenges. Technological readiness. Implementing AI at the scale required for governance demands robust infrastructure, including reliable connectivity, data management systems, and advanced computing capabilities. Developing nations may face challenges in adopting AI due to resource limitations. Ethical frameworks and regulations. Establishing comprehensive ethical frameworks, guidelines, and regulations for AI governance is essential to address concerns related to privacy, accountability, transparency, and fairness. Public acceptance and trust. Building public trust in AI systems requires transparency, clear communication, and public engagement. Governments must actively involve citizens in decision-making processes and ensure the benefits of AI are communicated effectively. Legal and regulatory frameworks. The legal and regulatory landscape must adapt to accommodate the unique challenges posed by AI in governance. New laws and regulations may be necessary to address liability, data protection, and algorithmic accountability. The impact on people's lives. The introduction of AI as a replacement for government would undoubtedly have significant implications for people's lives. Here are some potential changes. Enhanced efficiency and service delivery. AI-powered systems could lead to streamlined public services, faster response times, and improved service delivery. Citizens may experience reduced bureaucracy, quicker access to information, and more personalized services. A shift in employment landscape. The widespread adoption of AI in governance could result in changes to the job market. While some roles may become obsolete, new opportunities may arise in AI development, oversight, and maintenance. Reskilling programs and social safety nets would be crucial to support individuals affected by these changes. Potential for inclusive decision-making. AI systems, if designed and implemented thoughtfully, could ensure that decisions are made based on objective criteria and data. This could potentially result in fairer and more inclusive governance that takes into account the needs and aspirations of diverse populations. Ethical considerations and human values. The incorporation of ethical considerations and human values in AI systems would be vital to ensure decisions align with societal values. Public engagement and oversight mechanisms could help shape AI governance and prevent the erosion of ethical principles. While the idea of an AI-powered government presents intriguing possibilities, it also raises significant concerns and challenges. AI has the potential to enhance efficiency, data-driven decision-making, and fairness. However, the drawbacks and concerns, such as the lack of human judgment, accountability, and potential job displacement, must be carefully addressed. Threats like centralization of power, security risks, and ethical dilemmas should be mitigated through robust ethical frameworks, regulations, and public engagement. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial to explore its potential in governance while safeguarding human values, democratic principles, and the well-being of society at large.